Wealth, in its purest and most enduring form, begins as a concept within the mind. It is not merely the accumulation of money, the acquisition of property, or the outward display of opulence that defines true wealth. Far too often, people believe that the moment a certain number appears in their bank account, or the day they acquire a lavish car or home, they have achieved wealth. But this is a superficial understanding, one that can lead to frustration, dissatisfaction, and even despair, because material possessions are transient, shifting in value and relevance over time. True wealth is the result of a persistent mindset that sees opportunity where others see limitation, that cultivates belief in one's capacity to create, and that understands the natural laws of cause and effect in human effort. To grasp the untold truth about wealth, one must first understand that every individual has within them an innate capacity to attract abundance. This capacity is shaped by thought patterns, attitudes, and mental habits cultivated over years. A person who constantly worries about scarcity, who measures their worth by the lack they perceive in life, unconsciously repels wealth. Conversely, an individual who focuses their thoughts on opportunities, who believes in the infinite potential of their ideas, and who maintains unwavering faith in their ability to act decisively, will find that wealth flows toward them more easily than those who toil without direction. The principles governing wealth creation are simple yet profound. They are not taught in schools, not discussed openly in most households, and often contradicted by the prevailing cultural notions of struggle, luck, and random chance. Yet they are always at work, whether recognized or ignored. First, wealth begins with a clear, definite purpose. Individuals who are uncertain about what they want, who wander aimlessly through life, rarely achieve lasting prosperity. Their energy is dissipated, their focus diluted, and their actions lack cohesion. The mind that is set firmly upon a defined goal acts like a magnet, drawing ideas, resources, and alliances that align with that objective. The clarity of purpose acts as a guiding light, ensuring that every step taken, every decision made, contributes toward the creation of wealth. Second, wealth is inseparable from specialized knowledge. The accumulation of generalized information is of little value in the pursuit of abundance. Knowledge becomes power only when it is organized, applied, and directed toward a specific aim. Understanding how to leverage your unique talents, how to interpret market signals, how to negotiate, innovate, and solve problems in ways that others cannot are the skills that differentiate the truly wealthy from those who merely work for money. The world will always reward those who bring solutions to pressing problems, and these solutions are never a product of mere chance. They are born of thoughtful study, disciplined application, and the courage to act. Third, persistence and resilience are non-negotiable qualities for anyone seeking wealth. The road to financial independence is often strewn with obstacles, setbacks, and apparent failures. Those who achieve lasting prosperity are not immune to disappointment. They simply refuse to accept defeat as final. Each setback is a lesson, each challenge a hidden opportunity to refine strategies, strengthen character, and clarify purpose. Wealth, in essence, is a product not just of knowledge and planning, but of unwavering determination, the refusal to quit in the face of temporary adversity. Furthermore, wealth is deeply connected to personal integrity and the ability to cultivate relationships. Money flows most freely to those who are trusted, who honor commitments, and who create value for others without expectation of immediate return. Greed, deception, and selfishness may yield short-term gains, but they erode the foundation of true prosperity. People who understand the untold truth about wealth recognize that lasting riches are earned not at the expense of others, but in partnership with them. The ability to inspire trust, influence positively, and lead ethically is a cornerstone of enduring financial success. Perhaps the most overlooked aspect of wealth is the mastery of one's own mind. The thoughts that dominate consciousness, the emotions that dictate reactions, and the habits that shape daily behavior collectively determine the trajectory of an individual's financial journey. Those who surrender their minds to fear, doubt, or the influence of negative voices around them will always struggle to create abundance. On the other hand, those who discipline their minds, who cultivate optimism, imagination, and constructive thinking, will find that circumstances, opportunities, and even unexpected allies seem to converge in their favor. It is important to note that wealth, in the context of this discussion, transcends the material. True wealth enriches every aspect of life, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Individuals who focus solely on financial accumulation without cultivating wisdom, empathy, or self-awareness often find themselves wealthy in appearance but impoverished in fulfillment. The untold truth is that wealth is holistic. It is the harmonious integration of money, mastery of the mind, meaningful relationships, and personal satisfaction. Finally, action is the bridge between desire and wealth. Knowledge, purpose, integrity, and mindset are powerless without deliberate, consistent action. The world rewards those who act decisively, who seize opportunities with courage and clarity, and who understand that procrastination and hesitation are silent killers of prosperity. Every idea, every insight, and every plan must be translated into tangible steps, executed with persistence and adaptability. In this, the untold truth becomes clear. Wealth is not an accident, a stroke of luck, or the inheritance of chance. It is the inevitable outcome of thought aligned with purpose, knowledge applied wisely, character strengthened through adversity, and action taken with unyielding commitment. Happiness is often misunderstood as a fleeting emotion, a transient feeling that comes and goes according to circumstances, events, or material acquisitions. Many believe that happiness is the reward for achievement, that one must first acquire wealth, status, or recognition in order to finally experience joy. Yet the untold truth is that happiness is not the consequence of external conditions. It is the foundation upon which wealth, freedom, and fulfillment are built. To neglect the cultivation of happiness is to undermine the very pursuit of prosperity, for the two are inseparably connected at the deepest level of human experience. True happiness is rooted in mental attitudes and habitual thought patterns. A person may possess vast financial resources, luxurious surroundings, and social prestige, but without inner contentment, these external markers of success are hollow. Wealth without happiness is merely the illusion of fulfillment. The mind of the truly happy individual, however, is fertile ground for creativity, opportunity, and decisive action, qualities essential for sustained prosperity. The connection between happiness and success is profound, though seldom taught, because happiness shapes perception, fuels energy, and amplifies the capacity for constructive effort. Happiness begins with self-awareness and the conscious choice to cultivate positive mental states. It is not passive. It is a discipline. A person who allows negative emotions, resentment, envy, fear, or regret to dominate their consciousness effectively blocks the flow of opportunities and stifles creativity. The untold truth is that the mind cannot operate at its highest potential when clouded by internal turmoil. Those who seek to achieve wealth and freedom without first mastering the art of personal happiness often find themselves trapped in cycles of frustration, disillusionment, and emotional exhaustion. Gratitude is a critical pillar of happiness. The habit of recognizing the abundance already present in life, of appreciating the small victories, relationships, and experiences that are often overlooked, has a transformative effect on the mind. Gratitude shifts focus from scarcity to opportunity, from complaint to possibility, and in doing so, it attracts more favorable circumstances. Scientific studies and practical observation alike reveal that individuals who consciously cultivate gratitude experience higher levels of satisfaction, improved mental clarity, and enhanced resilience in the face of adversity. Happiness, then, is not a passive byproduct. It is an active, strategic choice that strengthens the mind and expands the capacity for achievement. Equally important is the alignment of purpose with personal values. Happiness is most deeply experienced when one's actions reflect inner convictions and meaningful goals. To pursue wealth, freedom, or status for reasons that conflict with personal integrity is to court internal dissatisfaction. The untold truth is that external success cannot compensate for internal dissonance. Those who define their lives in terms of service, contribution, and the pursuit of genuine passion find that happiness becomes a natural companion rather than a distant reward. This alignment acts as a source of boundless energy, guiding decisions, sharpening focus, and enhancing the ability to recognize and seize opportunities that others overlook. Happiness also thrives in connection with others. Human beings are inherently social, and relationships are a critical determinant of emotional well-being. The untold truth about happiness is that it cannot be fully experienced in isolation. Positive relationships characterized by trust, respect, and mutual support amplify joy and mitigate stress, creating a fertile environment for both personal and professional growth. Individuals who understand this truth invest time and effort in cultivating authentic connections, recognizing that these bonds provide not only emotional sustenance but also practical support in the pursuit of wealth and freedom. Moreover, happiness is inseparable from mastery over fear and worry. Fear is the great enemy of progress, the subtle force that undermines confidence, clouds judgment, and discourages action. Worry drains energy, blurs priorities, and creates imagined obstacles that rarely exist outside the mind. The individual who learns to manage fear through rational thinking, disciplined focus, and deliberate action unlocks the capacity for sustained happiness. In this context, happiness becomes both a shield and a catalyst. It protects the mind from destructive emotions and propels it toward creative solutions, bold action, and long-term success. It is also essential to recognize the role of self-discipline in the pursuit of happiness. Contrary to popular belief, happiness is not achieved through indulgence, avoidance of responsibility, or reliance on external validation. It is cultivated through the mastery of one's habits, thoughts, and responses to the world. Discipline allows for consistent action toward meaningful goals, a steady alignment between intentions and behavior, and the resilience to endure temporary setbacks without losing emotional equilibrium. Those who cultivate disciplined minds experience a profound sense of satisfaction, a quiet confidence that no external circumstance can easily disrupt. Finally, happiness is intimately tied to contribution. Individuals who dedicate themselves to causes greater than personal gain, who seek to improve the lives of others while pursuing their own objectives, discover that happiness multiplies in proportion to the value they create. Wealth without contribution may gratify the senses temporarily, but it does not fulfill the deeper human need for significance. Freedom without the ability to positively impact others becomes hollow. The untold truth is that happiness, wealth, and freedom are not isolated achievements. They are interconnected, mutually reinforcing outcomes of a life lived with purpose, integrity, and conscious attention to the cultivation of joy. By understanding and embracing the principles of happiness as the foundation for success, individuals unlock a hidden reservoir of energy, insight, and influence. Happiness is not simply a feeling, it is a strategic, disciplined, and deliberate practice that shapes perception, sharpens judgment, strengthens resilience, and attracts the opportunities and resources necessary for enduring wealth and true freedom. Freedom is often discussed superficially in society, framed as the ability to travel, to make choices without interference, or to possess material comforts. Yet the untold truth about freedom is far deeper. It is the ultimate expression of both wealth and happiness. Without freedom, wealth can become a source of stress, obligation, or entrapment, and happiness can fade beneath the pressures of dependence, limitation, or conformity. True freedom exists when the mind, spirit, and circumstances align in a state that allows for conscious, deliberate action guided by purpose, integrity, and vision. It is the environment in which human potential can fully manifest, unhindered by internal fear or external constraint. To understand freedom, one must first recognize that it begins in the mind. The majority of people live under self-imposed limitations, often unconsciously accepting the beliefs, fears, and expectations that society, culture, or family systems have instilled in them. These invisible barriers prevent the individual from making independent choices, thinking creatively, or pursuing meaningful goals. A person may appear free in a material sense, possessing resources or titles, yet be imprisoned by mental constraints that dictate behavior, dampen ambition, and obscure true opportunity. The untold truth is that without mastery over one's own mind, freedom is an illusion. The external trappings of independence cannot substitute for internal sovereignty. Freedom requires financial independence, yet this is only a means, not the ultimate end. Money, though often mistaken as the key to liberation, is in truth only a tool. The wealthy who remain enslaved to debt, dependency, or unwise decisions experience little freedom despite apparent riches. The untold truth about wealth and freedom is that financial resources must be accompanied by knowledge, discipline, and strategic thinking. Money alone cannot liberate. It must be managed intelligently, invested purposefully, and leveraged in ways that multiply opportunity rather than create new chains of obligation. Those who understand this principle treat wealth as a servant, not a master, enabling them to live in alignment with values, pursue passions, and make choices unconstrained by fear or scarcity. Another essential component of freedom is personal responsibility. Individuals who blame circumstances, others, or luck for their situation surrender the power to influence outcomes. The untold truth is that freedom is inseparable from accountability. To be free is to recognize that thoughts, choices, and actions shape destiny. Every decision, whether large or small, contributes to the construction of life's conditions. By embracing responsibility, the individual gains mastery over circumstances, develops resilience against adversity, and cultivates a sense of empowerment that cannot be externally taken away. Freedom, therefore, is not the absence of constraint, but the presence of self-mastery. Time management is another cornerstone of true freedom. Few understand that time is the ultimate currency, more valuable than money, status, or recognition. The individual who controls how time is allocated, who prioritizes activities that align with purpose and long-term goals, achieves a level of freedom unavailable to those enslaved by distraction, obligation, or reactive behavior. The untold truth about freedom is that it is inseparable from deliberate action and disciplined scheduling. By mastering the use of time, one unlocks opportunities for wealth creation, personal growth, and the enjoyment of meaningful experiences without the weight of constant stress or wasted effort. Freedom also requires the courage to confront fear. Fear is the most pervasive chain that binds human potential, whether it manifests as fear of failure, fear of judgment, or fear of uncertainty. Individuals who allow fear to dictate choices remain trapped in mediocrity, unable to pursue true opportunity or express authentic vision. The untold truth is that freedom grows in direct proportion to the courage one exercises. Each act of decisive action, each refusal to succumb to fear, expands personal autonomy and strengthens the capacity to create favorable conditions in all areas of life. Freedom, like a muscle, strengthens with use, and each courageous decision compounds the individual's ability to act independently and purposefully. Additionally, freedom thrives in alignment with personal values and purpose. The individual who pursues goals that are disconnected from inner convictions may achieve external success, yet experience a profound lack of autonomy. Happiness, when not aligned with purpose, becomes fleeting. Wealth, when divorced from principle, becomes a source of tension rather than empowerment. True freedom exists when one's actions, choices, and environment are harmonized with inner beliefs. This alignment creates a powerful internal state in which decisions are made with clarity, confidence, and integrity, freeing the individual from internal conflict and external manipulation. Finally, freedom is amplified by contribution and influence. Paradoxically, the act of empowering others, creating value, and positively impacting the world around us enhances personal autonomy. Individuals who cultivate influence and build networks of trust find that opportunities expand, obligations diminish, and control over circumstances increases. The untold truth is that freedom is not merely the absence of restriction, it is the presence of power, clarity, and agency cultivated through knowledge, discipline, purpose, and service. Those who understand this principle realize that the pursuit of wealth and happiness without freedom is incomplete, while the pursuit of freedom without purpose or contribution is hollow. Freedom, therefore, is the ultimate expression of human potential. It is the synthesis of mental mastery, financial independence, courageous action, aligned purpose, disciplined use of time, and meaningful contribution. When these elements converge, the individual experiences a life where wealth serves rather than confines, happiness energizes rather than distracts, and every choice is a conscious expression of self-mastery. To neglect freedom is to limit the very potential for wealth and happiness, for it is only within the state of true autonomy that human capability, creativity, and joy can flourish to their fullest extent. While the principles of wealth, happiness, and freedom are straightforward in concept, the untold truth is that most individuals are obstructed not by a lack of opportunity, but by hidden barriers within themselves. These barriers are often subtle, disguised as habits, beliefs, or unquestioned assumptions that quietly sabotage potential and limit achievement. The majority of people fail to recognize these obstacles because they are deeply ingrained, often learned over years of social conditioning, family influence, and cultural messaging. To unlock true abundance, one must first identify, confront, and dismantle these internal barriers, for they operate invisibly yet exert immense influence over the trajectory of life. The first hidden barrier is the fear of failure. Fear manifests in countless ways: procrastination, hesitation, perfectionism, and avoidance of calculated risk. Individuals who are governed by fear allow imagined consequences to dominate their decision-making, paralyzing action and stifling creativity. The untold truth is that failure is not the enemy of wealth, happiness, or freedom. It is a necessary teacher. Each failure contains within it lessons that refine strategy, strengthen resilience, and illuminate paths to success that would otherwise remain hidden. Those who fear failure avoid opportunities, compromise potential, and settle for mediocrity, while those who embrace failure as an inevitable and instructive part of growth leverage it to their advantage. Understanding this distinction is critical for anyone seeking to achieve lasting abundance. The second barrier is the lack of clarity and definite purpose. Many people drift through life without clearly defined goals, reacting to circumstances rather than creating them. Without a definite aim, energy is wasted, decisions lack alignment, and opportunities are missed. Wealth, happiness, and freedom are not the result of random chance. They are the byproduct of intentional focus. The untold truth is that clarity of purpose acts as a magnet, attracting resources, ideas, and alliances that resonate with one's objectives. Without it, the individual remains adrift, unable to harness the full power of thought, action, and opportunity. Developing clarity requires introspection, self-assessment, and the courage to define a life vision that is authentic and compelling. The third hidden barrier is limiting beliefs, often internalized from early experiences, education, or social norms. These beliefs create invisible ceilings that prevent individuals from imagining what is possible. Common examples include the notions that wealth is reserved for the fortunate few, that happiness is external and fleeting, or that freedom is unattainable without extreme sacrifice. The untold truth is that beliefs are not inherently true. They are constructs of the mind, and they can be reshaped, replaced, or expanded. By consciously examining beliefs, challenging assumptions, and adopting empowering mental models, individuals free themselves from constraints that previously dictated outcomes. Changing belief systems is not instantaneous, but with persistent effort, it transforms perception, decision-making, and ultimately reality. The fourth barrier is the misuse of time and energy. People often surrender their most valuable resources to distraction, trivial pursuits, and reactive behavior. Energy expended on worry, gossip, or non-essential tasks drains mental clarity, reduces productivity, and diminishes the capacity for meaningful action. The untold truth is that control over one's time and energy is directly proportional to control over one's life. Those who prioritize activities that align with purpose, contribute to long-term goals, and cultivate personal growth experience compounded results, while those who squander these resources find themselves trapped in cycles of frustration and unfulfilled potential. Mastery over time and energy requires disciplined planning, focused execution, and the ability to say no to what does not serve higher objectives. A fifth barrier is attachment to comfort and the avoidance of discomfort. Growth, by its nature, requires venturing beyond familiar territory, confronting uncertainty, and enduring temporary challenges. Many individuals prefer the safety of routine, familiarity, and predictability, even when these conditions limit potential. The untold truth is that discomfort is a prerequisite for transformation. Every innovation, every breakthrough, and every act of true wealth creation involves stepping into uncertainty with courage and resolve. Those who cling to comfort at the expense of opportunity remain stagnant, while those willing to endure temporary difficulty cultivate resilience, adaptability, and the capacity for lasting achievement. Additionally, dependence on external validation creates a subtle yet powerful barrier. Many individuals measure success, happiness, and worth according to the opinions of others. This reliance erodes confidence, constrains decision-making, and diminishes autonomy. The untold truth is that external validation is fleeting and unreliable. True freedom and contentment arise from internal standards, self-trust, and alignment with personal values. The individual who masters self-reliance, cultivates confidence in judgment, and makes decisions in accordance with authentic purpose is free from the manipulations, expectations, and constraints imposed by others. Another hidden barrier is impatience and the desire for instant gratification. In a culture obsessed with speed, immediate results, and visible returns, many abandon long-term goals for short-term pleasure. The untold truth is that wealth, happiness, and freedom are cumulative achievements built through consistent action, strategic planning, and disciplined effort over time. Those who chase shortcuts often find temporary gains, but sacrifice enduring results. Mastery of patience combined with persistence allows compounding efforts to yield exponential outcomes and instills the resilience necessary to navigate the inevitable challenges along the path to lasting success. Finally, the lack of constructive alliances and mentorship acts as a barrier few recognize until it is too late. Wealth, happiness, and freedom are seldom the products of solitary effort alone. Those who surround themselves with visionaries, mentors, and supportive collaborators gain access to knowledge, opportunities, and perspectives unavailable to isolated individuals. The untold truth is that human connection, when aligned with purpose, accelerates growth, multiplies resources, and provides guidance in moments of uncertainty. Conversely, negative or indifferent associations drain energy, propagate limiting beliefs, and hinder advancement. Choosing allies wisely is not a peripheral concern. It is central to the achievement of extraordinary life outcomes. By identifying and confronting these hidden barriers, fear, lack of clarity, limiting beliefs, mismanagement of time and energy, attachment to comfort, dependence on validation, impatience, and poor alliances, individuals can unlock the doors that stand between them and their true potential. The untold truth is that these obstacles, though invisible and pervasive, are conquerable. Every barrier dismantled, every limiting habit replaced with constructive action brings the individual closer to the synthesis of wealth, happiness, and freedom, revealing the life that is always within reach for those who are willing to look inward, act decisively, and persist relentlessly. The ultimate truth about wealth, happiness, and freedom is that they are not isolated pursuits. They are interconnected outcomes of a life lived with purpose, discipline, and clarity. Many seek one without cultivating the others, only to discover that each is incomplete in isolation. Wealth without happiness leads to emptiness. Happiness without freedom leads to frustration. Freedom without wealth leads to limitation. The untold truth is that there is a formula, a synthesis of principles that allows these three pillars of life to reinforce each other, creating a compounding effect that multiplies fulfillment beyond ordinary expectation. The first element of this formula is a clear and definite purpose. The individual who defines a specific, compelling goal aligns thought, emotion, and action toward its attainment. Purpose acts as a magnet, attracting knowledge, resources, and allies that resonate with one's vision. Without purpose, efforts are scattered, decisions lack cohesion, and progress is inconsistent. The untold truth is that clarity of purpose is the spark that ignites the engine of achievement, for the mind and spirit are most powerful when directed toward a single meaningful objective. Purpose provides the roadmap, the compass, and the reason to endure adversity, and it lays the foundation upon which wealth, happiness, and freedom are built. The second element is disciplined action. Knowledge, insight, and intention remain inert without decisive execution. The individual who consistently takes deliberate, focused steps toward goals transforms abstract concepts into tangible results. Discipline ensures that daily habits reinforce long-term vision, that energy is conserved for what matters most, and that temporary obstacles are overcome with resilience. The untold truth is that action, guided by purpose and informed by experience, is the bridge between desire and reality. Those who hesitate, procrastinate, or fail to act allow opportunity to slip past, while those who act decisively create momentum, confidence, and cumulative advantage. The third element is the cultivation of a positive mental attitude. Thoughts shape perception, perception shapes decisions, and decisions shape reality. The individual who cultivates optimism, imagination, and resilience maintains clarity under pressure, identifies opportunity where others see limitation, and attracts allies who resonate with their energy. Happiness and mental composure are inseparable from success. A mind clouded by fear, doubt, or negativity cannot perceive the paths to wealth and freedom. The untold truth is that a positive mental attitude is both a shield and a magnet. It protects the mind from destructive emotions and draws favorable circumstances toward it. Daily practice of constructive thought, affirmation, and visualization enhances both emotional state and practical outcomes. The fourth element is mastery over the self. Freedom, the ultimate expression of human potential, arises from autonomy of mind, disciplined habits, and courage in the face of fear. The individual who masters impulses, directs attention, and regulates emotional response is no longer enslaved by circumstance, opinion, or limitation. The untold truth is that external freedom is a reflection of internal mastery. Those who exercise control over their thoughts and actions are capable of navigating life with confidence, seizing opportunity, and creating conditions that sustain wealth and happiness over time. Mastery of self also reinforces resilience, focus, and the ability to act decisively in moments of challenge. The fifth element is strategic accumulation and application of knowledge. Knowledge, applied with purpose, produces power and opportunity. The individual who seeks specialized understanding, studies cause and effect, and adapts lessons from experience multiplies effectiveness in every endeavor. Knowledge alone is insufficient without application. Action without understanding is wasteful. The untold truth is that wisdom is the multiplier of effort, transforming ordinary initiatives into extraordinary results. Those who continually learn, refine, and innovate position themselves to attract wealth, create influence, and make informed choices that expand freedom and happiness. The sixth element is the cultivation of meaningful relationships and contribution. Wealth, happiness, and freedom do not exist in isolation. The individual who fosters authentic alliances, mentors, and networks benefits from guidance, opportunity, and shared resources. Contribution to others amplifies personal fulfillment and reinforces social and professional capital. The untold truth is that influence and generosity create reciprocal returns. Those who enrich the lives of others are invariably enriched in return. Authentic relationships provide support in adversity, insight in decision-making, and pathways to opportunity that would be inaccessible alone. Finally, the seventh element is persistence, the refusal to surrender to temporary setbacks, challenges, or discouragement. Every pursuit of wealth, happiness, and freedom encounters obstacles. Those who quit in the face of adversity forfeit potential. Those who persist turn difficulty into opportunity, failure into education, and pressure into momentum. The untold truth is that persistence compounds every other element: purpose, action, attitude, self-mastery, knowledge, and relationships. Over time, consistent effort aligned with these principles produces exponential results where small, disciplined actions accumulate into extraordinary achievement. When these elements converge, purpose, disciplined action, positive mental attitude, self-mastery, applied knowledge, meaningful relationships, and persistence, they create a formula for life that produces wealth, happiness, and freedom simultaneously. Each pillar reinforces the others. Clarity and purpose energize action. A positive attitude amplifies opportunity. Mastery of self safeguards freedom. Knowledge informs strategy. Relationships expand resources. And persistence ensures momentum. The untold truth is that this formula is accessible to anyone willing to study it, apply it, and endure through challenge, for the principles are immutable and universal. By consciously integrating these elements into daily life, the individual transcends mediocrity and moves toward extraordinary achievement. Wealth ceases to be a distant goal and becomes a natural outcome of disciplined action and informed decision-making. Happiness becomes a stable internal state rather than a fleeting emotional reaction. Freedom emerges as a byproduct of self-mastery, alignment with purpose, and the courage to act independently. Together, these outcomes create a life that is abundant, meaningful, and self-directed, a life in which the untold truth about wealth, happiness, and freedom is not merely understood, but fully realized.